The shift from traditional SEO to the generative AI era is a geometric struggle of depth versus flat design. Phase 1. The flattened commodity. In the traditional 2D search landscape, content creators fought along a simple flat grid to rank at position y equals 1. When generative AI search emerged, it warped this flat grid into a continuous, multi-dimensional surface, the AI manifold. Because unoriginal commodity content possesses zero independent depth, the warping surface entirely compressed it into the baseline pattern recognition of the algorithm. It became part of the background scenery, swallowed up without an identity. Phase 2. The missed intersection. Across this warped surface travels the vector of search intent, representing a user looking for a true answer. Because the commodity content has been flattened into the baseline mesh, the intent vector passes cleanly over it without making contact. Lacking a spatial intersection, the generic content earns no visibility, resulting in zero traffic and zero clicks. Phase 3. Scaling the z-axis. Conversely, an original PR source introduces authentic value, primary data, and genuine information gain. Geometrically, this unique substance shoots straight up into the z-axis, creating an uncompressed spatial volume. When the vector of search intent cuts across the manifold, it is forced to collide directly with this elevated peak. This intersection triggers an expanding focal point, an AI citation earned. The AI intermediary cannot absorb the unique depth, forcing it to link directly to the authoritative creator.